Guys, day 3. So the plumbing leak was fixed, which is that. So that problem solved there. Now my husband wanted to add a hot water line in case we add a bidet here or add the bidet function to a toilet. Well, and this is a lesson learned. You have to be on top of people because, yeah, how am I going to turn the knobs? Does that make sense? So when I asked the plumber that after he was done, he's like, oh, yeah, you can turn it. Yeah, if you squeeze it in there and you end up moving this, hold on. You have to end up moving this whole piece to the side and then the whole thing moves. Well, then I'm gonna correct the sheetrock behind it. That doesn't make sense. So they're gonna fix that. And then, oh, I love this tub. They installed the tub. This is supposed to be metal. Let's see, what does it say there? It's supposed to be, what was it that it said? Well, anyways, it's not acrylic. That's what we wanted to avoid. It's not acrylic. And this is kind of low for my taste, but whatever. They said that was a standard because our old one used to be up here, the handle where you turn the water on. But that's fine. I'm just gonna have to tell my son he has to be careful how to turn that on. And yeah, so the tub is in, and then tomorrow I think they start the sheetrock. And then we decided that instead of having one solid shelf here with tile, we're just gonna put a piece of glass, a piece of tempered glass, and it'll be visually more pleasing to look at. We won't have that bulky shelf there. So yeah, guys, that's the progress for day 3. Hi guys, welcome to Yayis Corner. Okay, so today is day 4. So the progress update here is he patched up where there were some holes for the old towel holder that was put on wrong. So then he went ahead and he applied it's called Durock. So it's like a cement backing around the shower. Okay. And because we don't have a standard opening here for a standard 60 by 30 bathtub, he had to make this little ledge, which was already there when we had our old bathtub. So yeah, here's the niche. So we decided we're gonna put glass shelves on that. Okay. So then on this side, he added just regular sheetrock. Oh, he touched up this as well. Oh, that was great. Because here the paint was lifting up, so yeah, awesome. So the light fixture, that's where it's gonna go, and it's directly lined up with the sink. So they came today and they're going to change the knobs on this and change them to it's like, I'll show you when they replace it. So they're not bumping into each other. They're gonna replace them. So yeah, so he's coming tomorrow to I think he said to start tiling. Did he? Gosh, no, I'm not sure. I think he did. Anyways, yeah, so this is a progress for day 4. This is going pretty fast. Very happy with how fast, efficient, and clean this gentleman works. So as you can see, he picked up all the rags. He swept again. Yeah, so can't wait. Bye.